Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear 9th class, how are you? Dear students, today we will discuss about the multiplication of matrices exercise 1.4. My dear student, this exercise is taken from Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur. Dear students, multiplication of matrices is possible only when for example, we have two matrices A and B. If the number of columns of matrix A or first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second column. For example, if we are going to find this one, there are two number of columns of first matrix and two number of rows in second matrix. So the number of column of first matrix and number of rows of second matrix are equal. So their multiplication is possible. In our question number 1, we will just find the pair of the matrices which are comfortable for multiplication or not. Okay, now we will do question number 4, which is multiply these matrices. There are two columns are given and there is the multiplication sign between these two matrices. How we can find? Let's see. This is very important and different method. Like this one, first of all, we will multiply first row by first column. You can see that the order of this entry is first row, first column. The order of this entry is second row, first column. The order of this entry is third row and first column. So, like this, we will find the order of this one. Like this one, this is second row and second column. Third row and second column, first row and second column. According to this, we will multiply. Like this one, we will first multiply first row by first column. First value for first multiplied and second value multiplied by the second one. So we will multiply 2 into 2, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 3. And now here 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus 3 multiplied by 0. Now this is the time to find the product of the second row and first column. 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3. 1 multiplied by minus 1 and 1 multiplied by 0. Like this, we will multiply the third row. 0 multiplied by 2 plus minus 2 multiplied by 3. 0 multiplied by minus 1 plus minus 2 multiplied by 0. Now, my dear students, we can add 2 2's are 4, 4 plus 9, 2 plus 6, 0 plus minus minus, 0 minus 6, minus 2 plus 0, minus 1 plus 0, 0 minus 0. So we will add and write the product of these matrices. Part number D, 8, 5, 6, 4, 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 4, 4. Like this, there are 2 by 2 columns, 2 rows and 2 columns. So the matrices multiplication of these matrices are possible. How can we multiply? 8 2's are 16, 5 4's are 20, minus 20. Minus plus minus 8, 5's are 40 by 2 equals to 20, minus 20. 5 4's are plus 20. 6 2's are 12, 4 4's are minus 16. Minus plus minus, 6 5 is 30, 30 by 2 is minus 15, 4 4's are 16. Like this method, we will add and subtract the values and get 16 minus 20 is minus 4, minus 20 plus 20 equals to 0, 12 minus 16 is minus 4, minus 15 plus 16 is 1. Now we are going to find the product of these two matrices. In these matrices, the second matrix is the null matrix because all the entries are equals to 0. You know that the rule, when we will multiply any number by 0, then the answer will be equals to 0. Like this method, our solution set is also equals to null matrix. When we will multiply minus 1 by 0, minus 1 0 0, 2 0 0, 1 0 0, 3 0 0. So we will write here all the entries are 0. The answer is also the null matrix. Question number 5. If A is equals to minus 1, 3, 2, 0, B is equals to 1, 2, minus 3, 5 and C is equals to 2, 1, 1, 3, then verify. Part number 2, A into B, C is equals to A, B into C. My dear student, remember one rule that generally in multiplication AB is not equals to BA. Okay, remember this rule. Now we are doing part number 2. We will solve the bracket. BC means we will multiply matrix B with matrix C. Like this one, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6, minus 3 2s are minus 6, minus 5 1s are 5, minus 3 1s are 3, minus 5 3s are 15. So 2 plus 2 4, 7, minus 11 and minus 18. This is the answer of BC. Now we will multiply this answer with matrix A. Write the matrix A first, minus 1 3 2 0, and then write the answer of these two matrices. Okay, now we will multiply again with that rule by using that rule. Minus 1 4s are 4, 3 11s are 33, minus 1 7s are minus 7, 3 18s are 54, 2 4s are 8, 0 11s are 0, 2 7s are 14, 0 18s are 0. Now my dear students, we will add these entries and we will get first answer. Now move to the right hand side, which is AB into C. So first we will solve the bracket. AB means we will multiply matrix A with matrix B. 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 3. You know the rule of plus minus minus, so you will put the sign according to that rule. 1 2s are 2, 3 5s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 0 3s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 0 5s are 0. So we will add and then we will multiply this answer with matrix C. So minus 10, minus 17, 2, 4 multiplied by matrix C, which is 2 1 1 3. So write the matrix C 2 1 1 3, and then we will multiply 10 2s are 20, 1 1s are 1, 10 1s are 10, 17 3s are 51, 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 4 3s are 12. So we will add, and at the end, my dear student, now we will compare both results. Minus 37 minus 61, minus 37 minus 61, 8 14 and 8 14. Both answers are equal, so we can say from 1 and 2 we will get A into BC is equals to AB into C. Hence we proved. Part number 4, A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. My dear student, again first of all we will consider the left hand side of the equation, and which is equals to A into B minus C. So first we will solve the bracket, which is the subtraction between two matrices B minus C. So write matrix B minus matrix C, and then you know that 1 minus 2 equals to minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, minus 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 4, minus 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 8. Now we will multiply this answer by A. So write first matrix A and then multiply this matrix A with this answer. So we will multiply 1 1s are 1, 3 4s are 12, 1 1s are 1, 3 8s are 24, 2 1s are 2, 0 4s are 0, and 2 1s are 2, 0 8s are 0. So write the answer, and this is the answer number 1. Now consider right hand side, which is equals to AB minus AC. Now my dear students, we will first multiply AB, means matrix A will multiplied by matrix B with the previous rule. We will get 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9, 1 2s are 2, 3 5s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 0 3s are 0, 2 2s are 4, 0 5s are 0. Okay, now we will find the matrix AB. And now AC, multiply AC, A matrix A with matrix C, and we will get the answer of the AC is 1 8 4 2. And now at the end we will find the subtraction. We will find the difference between these two products, which is AB minus AC. Write the answer of AB and minus answer of AC, and we will get minus 10, minus 1 is minus 11, minus 17, minus 8 is minus 25, 2 minus 1 minus 2, 2 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Now we will compare the both results. Answer number 1 is minus 11, minus 25, minus 2, minus 2, minus 11, minus 25, minus 2, 2. Sorry, these are the two positive values. So from 1 and 2 we will get A into B minus C is equals to AB minus AC. Dear students, now we are going to solve the last question of this exercise. Exercise question number 6. If B is equals to this and C is equals to this matrix, then we will verify. BC whole transpose equals to C transpose into B transpose. First of all, we will consider the left hand side which is equals to BC whole transpose. First we will find the product of B and C. Write the values of B and C carefully, and we will multiply their product. 1 2 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 1 6 is 6, 2 9 is 18, 3 2 is 6, 5 3 is 15, 3 6 is 18, and 5 9 is 45. Now we will find minus 2 plus 6 is 4, 6 minus 18 is minus 12, 6 minus 15 is minus 9, minus 18 plus 45 equals to 27. Now we will take the transpose. You know that the in transpose we will change the column into rows. For example, this row is 4 12. This is the row, but in this we will write this in the column 4 minus 12. Minus 9 27, second row will become the second column. So this is answer number 1. Now we will consider the right hand side, which is C transpose into B transpose. We will write direct C transpose and B transpose directly. If C is equals to minus 2 6 3 minus 9, we will take the transpose minus 2 6 3 minus 9, like the transpose of B is here. Now we will multiply, and when we will multiply these values, we will get the answer 4 minus 9 minus 12 minus 27. Now we will compare both results. 4 minus 9 minus 12 27, 4 minus 9 minus 12 27. At the end, when we will compare, we will get that from 1 and 2 we get that BC whole transpose equals to C transpose into B transpose. Hence we have proved.